It's a pleasure to be here this morning. I'm going to be talking about this idea of collaborative communities. What's interesting is that we are in a wash of digital everything. Digital transformation, innovation labs, digital platforms, digital channels. And underlying all this activity around digital is developers. Without developers and the code that they write, digital is just a dream. Yet, in this age of developers, enterprises are failing to leverage and capitalize on the power of delivering innovation and delivering value back to customers in their digital channels and efforts. And why is that? Understand this. Your ability to innovate as organizations is highly correlated to the ability of allowing your developers, your software engineers, to collaborate seamlessly. So in this talk, I'm going to talk about how to build these internal communities, how to foster collaboration, how that drives innovation, and how best-in-class companies are ahead of the curve in creating an environment that allows them to innovate faster through the power of collaborative communities. But in order to discuss this, we need to understand the context of where we are today in this age of developers. In the 60s, 70s, the run-up of IT, there was huge investments in understanding the promise of technology and innovating businesses and creating massive efficiencies. Yet once we got to that stage, the investments started to change and it started to get more towards cost optimization and outsourcing a lot of the technology capabilities. And because technology was seen as merely a commodity. Yet now, as we're in this digital age, developers are radically important, as companies are now pressured in delivering digital experiences that are better and faster than was previously required. And this is creating some challenges for organizations as they now need to invest heavily in insourcing a lot of the talent and technology expertise that they outsourced previously. And coupled with that, we're seeing the rise, the exponential rise, in code and technologies, like we see on places such as GitHub for collaborative coding. And as we see on global communities like Stack Overflow, that have grown, again, exponentially in enabling developers to come together, share answers, share content, and do it in a crowdsourced way, to enable developers to do their work faster, to get answers faster, to ship code faster. All based on the premise of questions and answers delivered in a canonical way, in a way that can be trusted and verified, and providing a ton of value back to the global community, enabling them to develop innovative solutions, as we see in many startups today. Oftentimes you'll hear the phrase, I got my CS degree through Stack Overflow, and that is the power of collaboration. And it's created communities across a lot of different areas. So whether it's DevOps, machine learning, AI, the ability to create these communities quickly has spawned a ton of innovation and creating communities that are spawned not only across different domains of knowledge, but also globally. Some of you, we chatted yesterday during the welcome reception, and you asked me, why is someone from Stack Overflow here in Vietnam and in Asia? Aren't you just a website? Well, one of the things I noticed that when I started looking at the data around the usage of Stack Overflow, what astounded me is that here in Asia Pac, it's the largest user base and the largest amount of traffic globally. And in Vietnam alone, it's been an incredible rise, doubling in terms of number of users to over 600,000 on a monthly basis, and over 4 million sessions per month. The developer community here in Vietnam is alive and rapidly expanding. And so that's great for global communities that are able to come together and create innovations, create new products, create new ideas, and bring those to fruition. But what about for inside organizations? And in order to enable innovation, organizations need to focus on 4 things. 1, you need a strong engineering culture to ensure that engineers feel valued in their work and that they're delivering on good work that they care about. 2, you need skilled talent that have the skills and capabilities to deliver on the work required. You need a knowledge architecture to start sharing information more collaboratively and openly and seamlessly across an organization. And lastly, an open ecosystem that's not only focused on innovation inside an organization, but is also working with partners and other organizations outside the organization to enable innovation culture inside the organization. But for today's talk, I want to focus purely on knowledge architecture and why that is able to enable and unlock innovation faster in organizations. So, I think many of us here are developers, at least had been developers, at least wrote a line of code at some point. And I think we all kind of get the sense of what the journey is of trying to get an answer to a question, whether it's tapping someone on the shoulder, whether it's using email or chat to ask a question, whether it's just randomly finding someone in the lunchroom. When I was a junior developer, I had the good fortune of working right next alongside the most senior developer in the group. And he became the victim of my very junior and silly questions. And it was both inefficient for myself, having to ask all these questions, but also wildly inefficient for him. And that's okay if you're a small team of maybe 5 developers. But what if you're a team of 100, 500, 1,000? And what if it's not just one location, but multiple locations, multiple product lines, across multiple time zones? Well, now you have not just a wildly inefficient problem, but you also have a massively costly issue that's destroying efficiencies and adding to the cost in delivery time to your project. And so how do we address this massive inefficiency? It's not by building more knowledge bases. It's by leveraging the power of communities. The same type of communities that have power to things that we see today around GitHub, Stack Overflow, and other great sites that are delivering value to programmers. But in order to enable communities to work, it really relies upon 4 key elements in order to enable that type of internal collaboration to happen seamlessly. First, you need a platform that is easy to use and allows users to conform to community norms, meaning there shouldn't be any friction in the experience of being able to be part of the community. And second, it should be easy for people to know what type of things are useful and valuable to be part of the community. Conversely, the platform also needs to ensure that not good quality content is added. So ensuring that users aren't doing bad things or adding content that won't be valuable to the community. Third, through usage, you want to see a way of incentivizing users to participate. You may have heard the term gamification. On Stack Overflow, we use things like points, badges, but there's also social proof, like voting, that enable people to feel that they're part of a community and that they're able to openly collaborate. And lastly, when all those other 3 layers do not necessarily work, there's some content that needs to be reviewed, at least there is an exception handling by having moderators that can help to provide some level of quality control to the community. But it's not only about the community itself. One of the things that I started to notice is that many organizations have gone through this effort of building a huge knowledge repository, big, huge project, bringing lots of people in, and you then launch the database that has all the knowledge. And then what you find is that in a year, a lot of that knowledge gets stale. Knowledge has a half-life. And particularly in technology circles, the pace of technology change means that something that you provided as knowledge 6 months ago, 3 months ago, even a month ago, may be outdated. So the purpose of doing a collaborative community is not to build another knowledge silo. We have tons of silos. There's email, there's Slack and chat, document systems, ticketing systems. Instead, the approach should be to create a community that seamlessly connects and is able to distribute and consume knowledge across the myriad of systems that are in your ecosystem. So that when a user, when a developer is doing his or her work, she doesn't have to jump out of the context of her work to get answers. It can happen seamlessly within the context and the flow of developers doing their work day in and day out. And avoiding the context switching, which is very problematic from an adoption standpoint when you're trying to build these types of community platforms. So for the rest of this talk, I want to focus on a few stories of how we've been able to build these types of collaborative communities for some really interesting organizations. The first is a really interesting bank. I very much put them in the leader category in terms of technology innovation. But they really wanted to step up further and advance their digitization efforts. And one of the first major efforts in that front was to create an open banking API. Unfortunately, the teams that were working on it were very fragmented. They did not talk to each other. There was no collaboration. And that caused major issues in terms of a lot of rework, a lot of doing the same things over and over again, and also not necessarily optimizing for the best solutions, which resulted in project delivery times that slipped. Well, we helped, from the Stack Overflow perspective, to help them build that internal community. Using platforms, using some of our experience building these types of communities in the public sphere. And what they started to realize is that now that they had one place that they could trust to put knowledge, to access knowledge, they started to build momentum internal to the organization. And what they started to see is that teams were starting to collaborate across those divisions and across those silos. They started to build a repository of trusted knowledge. And through that, they were able to lower project delivery times by 20% because they were avoiding the rework that had happened before. They're able to reuse code and reuse processes and ideas. And by that, they're able to also create much better solutions because they can work collaboratively across different teams. Another financial services company that they had major issues around the support channels, and it was hugely time-consuming. In fact, they were spending multiple hours, 20+ hours every week, in manual open office hour sessions. And this obviously was not scalable. They were overrun with work. And what they eventually did was, again, start to leverage that community aspect to document all the things that they were doing. They invited all the users that they were supporting to ask their questions, as well as to also contribute content on the platform. And eventually they moved much of their manual processes to a complete self-service-based community. It was an interesting conversation I had with someone here yesterday, talking about the balance between innovation and current work in an organization. And I do a lot of work with some banks, and there's a phrase that they'll use in terms of how they split up work between run the bank, all the business as usual activities, and change the bank, the things that are innovative. And unfortunately for most of the banks, the part around change the bank never gets adequate funding, never has enough resources, and it's all because, again, the process of bringing in new ideas and technologies is hugely risky. So, what was interesting from that conversation, thinking about this one global enterprise tech company, is that they were trying to support their global engineering team, many thousands, through this small group that was supporting all the developer tools. And they were totally swamped. Everything was an email. It was an impossible situation. By bringing everyone onto a platform that everyone could trust, that being Stack Overflow, what was interesting is it quickly gained momentum. Partly because of familiarity of, oh, Stack Overflow, that's great. But also because users, engineers started to get value. By one estimate, they went from over 24 hours to get a response to a question to under an hour, opening up massive amounts of efficiency. But the bigger story here is that that team that was doing that manual support, well, from a business perspective, now they didn't have to do that manual support. And so the team started actually working on new product features. So you're freeing up resources that are locked in this business as usual cycle, and now allowing them to innovate. And the last story I'll share is an interesting one, because I think it speaks to the power that communities have in changing a culture of an organization. And it happened in a very small way. It was one product team supporting one product. Again, they put in a platform. They took many of our recommendations in terms of how to build and support a community inside the organization. And by seeding that one community and having them be successful, some of the other product teams said, wait a minute, that looks really super interesting. Can we join? One by one, product teams started to come on board. And after a while, it became a global upswell. And the entire organization was leveraging this platform for the sharing of ideas, knowledge, content, and it changed the way that they work. And I think it speaks to the viral power when you do community right organizations to truly change the entire culture of how you work and do things. And that ultimately is the key of unlocking innovation in organizations, taking away the inefficiencies of processes, of finding knowledge, of determining whether you can trust the knowledge, and through the mechanism of community, enable the organization to unlock a lot of the potent innovation that's just waiting to be unleashed. Being at Stack Overflow, we've done a lot of work with some really great companies. Certainly, if you have questions after this talk, I welcome you to come and we can chat more about how we are helping companies, big and small, tap into developer communities and leverage the power of developer communities to become more efficient and innovative. And with that, I want to thank you for your time, for your attention. It's been wonderful to be here at this event, and I'm really excited about the growth here in Vietnam. It's a wonderful experience. I've not spent a lot of time here, but I hope to spend a lot more time in being part of the developer community and supporting the developer community here, supporting great organizations like VNITO that have been just fabulous in putting this type of content together. So So thank you. I'm so humbled to be here. If you want to contact me to chat more, my information is here. Thank you so much.
Và sau đây thì chúng tôi xin được trân trọng kính mời ông Lâm Nguyễn Hải Long, giám đốc VTSC sẽ đại diện ban tổ chức lên trao tặng phần